Oppo is working to launch as many as 2 new smartphones under its recently announced Reno sub-brand, dubbed as Reno and Reno Lite. The upcoming camera-centric devices are set to launch on April 10 in China. Reno is going to cater mainly to the younger audience, though the smartphone packs in high-end specifications with an advanced camera mechanism featuring the 10x optical zoom, expected to be a mid-premium smartphone. So hey folks, this is Samir and here is everything you need to know about the Oppo Reno. Excited? So let's get started. Let's start with the design. As per leaks, Oppo Reno and Reno Lite will sport an all-screen design achieved by adopting a one-of-a-kind pop-up camera. This wedge-shaped module, unlike other motorized snappers, remains fixed on the left, while the right side rises up when you trigger the selfie camera. Leak posted images of several case renders of this device. The wedge houses a front-facing selfie snapper and a flash. Beside the renders, the leak also has a video showing the device getting handled. Further on the rear side, the premium Reno gets a triple camera setup while the Lite model settles with a dual camera. Let's move towards the specifications. Going by the 10A listing, Reno will offer a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. Perhaps we can see the same display on premium Oppo Reno as well. Also, given both the models lack a physical fingerprint scanner, we expect them to sport an in-display fingerprint scanner. The Oppo Reno is expected to feature flagship internals including a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset and 4065 mAh of battery. As for the Reno Lite model, its 10A listing reveals the presence of a mid-level Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor, 6 and 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage options. Further, it will pack a 3680 mAh of battery with fast charging support and runs on Android 9.0 Pie based on ColorOS 6.0 out of the box. As per leaks, Oppo Reno will feature a triple rear camera setup comprising a 48MP main sensor, a wide-angle sensor and a periscope-like telephoto sensor that will enable 10x optical zoom. On the other hand, Reno Lite will come up with 48 plus 5MP dual rear camera. Up front, both phones are likely to get a 16MP selfie camera housed inside the pop-up camera module. Considering that Oppo and OnePlus are brothers from the same corporate mother and that many features first found on Oppo devices end up on future OnePlus phones, we could see the wedge end up on upcoming OnePlus model. The OnePlus 7, which is due to unveil sometime next quarter, will reportedly be equipped with a pop-up selfie snapper. But later this year, the OnePlus 7T could be released and we wouldn't be surprised to see the wedge used on that phone. The Oppo Reno smartphone will come in black, green, purple and pink color options. The Reno smartphone launch is expected on April 10 in China. So guys, are you excited for Oppo Reno? What do you think about this new smartphone? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off and I'll see you guys in my next one.